Good morning, students. So, I hope everyone is well and safe in the home in this corona pandemic situation. So, we are starting our math class from today, and you no need to come to school or online classes. Okay? So, let's start. So, let's know. First is your first chapter. Your first chapter is knowing our numbers. So before I start, I want to tell you that you do 2 copies for math. One is classwork copy, another one is homework copy, and both should be plain copy. Okay? So तुमको 2टा कॉपी करिया पड़िबो. गोटे होची homework copy पे and आ गोटे होची classwork copy. Then another most important thing is that you have to write the hard words 5 times on the back side of classwork copy. तम classwork copy रो पछ पेज रे कोन करिवो तमे hard words लिखिवा स्टार्ट करो. जो वर्ड्स तुमको कष्ट लागुची तारो एग्जैक्ट स्पेलिंग ठीक स्पेलिंग सहित कोन करिवो 5 times 5 थरो लिखिबो प्रति हार्ड वर्ड को ऑन द बैक साइड ऑफ योर क्लासवर्क कॉपी रो पछरे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नोइंग आवर नंबर्स. ओके, आमे नंबर को जानिबा केमि जानिबा. So this introduction is given here in this chapter. First we will recall the numbers whatever you have studied in previous class. In 5th class we will recall. Recall means remember. How you are remembering your old friends, like that will remember whatever you have studied in 5th class. Okay, so कौन कहूची recall. Recall means कौन मने पकईबा. Remember जेमिति तमे तम पुराना सांग जो माने कि तमरो पुराना स्कूल ले थिले तांको मने पकोजो सेमिति तमे 5th क्लास रे जहा भी नंबर विषय रे पढिजो ताको तमे एई चैप्टर रे मने पकेइबो. ओके, सो तमे रिकॉल करिबो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First we'll discussed about numbers. So already you have studied about numbers from 1 to 1000. Okay, so how you will use, how you can write, तमे केमता को लिखिबो जदि. So first I'll write knowing your numbers. Okay, so knowing our numbers. So already you have studied from 1 to 1000 or 10,000. 1 to 1000 you have already studied, or 1 to 10,000 you have already studied. So what you can do, you can count from 1 2 3 4 from any number, or 101 102 103 104, like this you can count forwardly, or you can count backwardly. If I am telling from 100 to count backward, 100 99 98 97. So already you have discussed and already you had done these things forward and backward. तम करि सारछो. forward means आगो को नंबर काउंट करिबा and backward पछुआ नंबर काउंट करिबा. So you have done like this. Okay, so forward and backward counting you have done. Then what else you have done? You have done the arranging, you have done the counting. Okay, so here this is a bowl. Here 2 bowls are kept. Okay, and sweets are kept here in this bowl. Okay, laddus are kept How you have known? How many laddus are there? केमी जानिबो केतेटा लड्डू अछि बाउल रे? So how you will know? By counting the laddus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many laddus are there in first bowl? There is 4, 3, 7, 10. Then we will count in second bowl. How many laddus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 laddus are there. So in two bowls you can see different numbers of bowls. Laddus are there in two bowls. So if I'll tell that, if I'll ask which bowl has more laddus, मुझे यदि पचारिबी कौ बाउल रे more laddus अछि, means बेसी लड्डू अछि. So automatically you can say that by seeing the numbers, by counting you can say that in first bowl more laddus is there. So first bowl has more laddu than second bowl. So 10 is bigger than 6. 10 6 taru boda. Or you can say that 6 is lesser than 10. Second bowl has less laddu than first bowl. You can read in both ways. Both way re पढ़ी पारिबो. How? 10 is greater than 6. 10 6 ठारू बड़. Or 6 is lesser than 10. 6 10 ठारू सान. Okay. So in numbers like that also you have found out which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Or if numbers have given like 22, 43, 61, 59, 25. Okay, so these are arranged haphazardly. So here we cannot know which one is bigger, which one is smaller. So we have to arrange them. ताको कौन करवा? Arrange करवा. We have to arrange them from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. Okay. So we can arrange them. Arrange करवा. Arrange means what? सजाई के लिखवा. We can arrange them in ascending or descending order. Okay. So here is one term ascending, one term descending. Ascend. Ascend means what? To go up. Like rocket is going up. The plane is taking off. तो प्लेन जेते उड़ीबो से कोन करिवो? ऊपर को जीवो. So this is when you are going up to the stairs. That time that is ascend. जेते तमे stairs ऊपर को चढ़ुचो, सीढ़ी रे ऊपर को चढ़ुचो, सेते ताको कोन को जाय? Ascend. Ascend means ऊपर को जीवा. So from ascend means what? Bottom to top. Means तळु ऊपर को जीवा. That is ascending. So we can arrange it in ascending order. So let's see how we can arrange. So smaller one is which one? 22. First we'll write the smallest one. Then after that, which one is bigger than 22? 25. Right? Then after 25, which one is bigger? 43. Then 59. Then 61. So look at here. 22, then 25, 22, 25, 43, 59, 61. So it is ascending. This is in ascending order, means it is from smallest to biggest. It is going from एटे कौन होचे सान रु बड़ क्रम रे सजा हेचे. That's why it is known as ascending order. So here we are going from bottom to top. Next we'll see descending. Okay. So when you are coming from top stair, upper stair ro जेतले तळको आसुचो, that one is descending. तळको आसुचो. So here from top to bottom, top to bottom, that is descending order. So now this is what descending means तळो खसे. So let's see, we'll arrange which one is biggest, 61, then smallest, smaller than 61, 59, then smaller than 59, 43, then 25, then 22. So here bigger to smaller. So this is known as descending. So bigger to smaller is known as descending, and here we are arranging the number from bigger to smaller. So this one we had recalled whatever. So we can find which one is smallest, which one is biggest. Like that we can find and we can arrange them. जो सबुठु बड़ नंबर कोडा सबुठु छोट नंबर कोडा तमे बाहर करि परियो. Then we can arrange them in ascending or descending order. Either ascending order or descending order we can तो ताको आमे छोटरू बड़ क्रम रे बा सानरू बड़ क्रम रे और बड़रू सान क्रम रे सजै परियो. So and we can arrange them into order, means there are order of numbers. जेमे तमरो स्कूल रे कि फर्स्ट हेले ताको कोन कहूछु फर्स्ट, देन सेकंड जी सेकंड रे आसी, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ, like that somebody has given according to numbers. जी जेते मार्क रखितबा से हिसाब रे ताको फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ करा जे, like that. So there are positions, means orders of numbers. This is called as order of numbers. So here we are giving the position to the numbers. आमे position दोचु number. जेमिति खेल रे कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन आसे, तापर कि सेकंड पोजीशन आसे, थर्ड पोजीशन आसे, तापर एमति बोर्ड तयारी हेताय. तो फर्स्ट एडी छिडा हबो, सेकंड एडी छिडा हबो, थर्ड एडी छिडा हबो. Like that we are giving order to numbers. Number को order रे arrange करा जाए. So that is known as, that is like first, second, third, fourth. So these are the things we have recalled today. So now we will recall comparing numbers. So let's start. Look, I have written comparing numbers. So I have written here first set of numbers. Comparing. Comparing means what? Tulana. Tulana karima. So I have first four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, four numbers, and second also I have written five numbers. So first I will compare these four numbers. Okay, so let's see. 92, 392, 4,456, next 89,742. So these are four numbers are there. We'll compare. Compare means what? We'll say which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Okay, kota boda, kota sana. Then we can arrange them into ascending or descending order. Okay, so first we'll see which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So let's see. So how we'll know which one is bigger? Because these are different digits number. देखो it is almost different. So 92 is 2. 92 has 2 digits. Ones, tens. 392 has 3 digits. Then 4056, here 4 digits are there. And here 89,742, here 5 digits are there. So these are of different digits. And first we'll see which one has more number of digits. हमें देखिए कोउथरे बेसी number of digits अछि. So here 2 digits are there, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. So those which has more number of digits as compared to others is greatest number. जो थरे बेसी digit थिबो सेटा होची greatest number. So this number has 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digit अछि. That's why this one is greater. Or you can say, greatest or biggest number. And which one is smallest number? That one which has lower number of digits or less number of digits. जହାର अल्प digit थिबो सबुठु कम digit थिबो ताको आमे कोन कहबा smallest. So look, this one is lowest number of digits. Very बहुत lowest अछि 2 numbers of digits. So this one is what? Smallest number. Okay. So here 2 number of digits is there, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number. So if we'll arrange them, then what we'll write? Ascending order. So first I will write the smallest. So budu choto को लिखिए 92. Next bigger than 92. 92 थारु बड़ा के. So there 2 digits is there. Next is 3 digit. 392. Next we will go. This one has 4 digits. That's why 4456. Next is the greatest one. 5 digit number, that is 89,742. So here I am seeing what you are seeing. That is arranged from smallest to greatest number or smallest to biggest number in ascending order. So how we have found out that which one is biggest, which one is smallest? By seeing the number of digits. हम केतेटा digits अछि सेटा देखि के हम जानि परछु. This one is smallest and this one is, that one is biggest. Okay. Next, you see the second one. Here you look. If you will see clearly, what you will find, all the numbers have same number of digits. Sabu number है same number of digits अछि. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all has same number of digits. So how can we find here which one is bigger, which one is smaller? So first we will see the position of the position. Position, or now we will say in which place it is given. Okay. So all are same digits, same number of digits, but they are in which position? They are in thousands. All are in thousands. 1,902, 1,920, 9,201, 9,021, 9,210. So all are in thousand. So first you saw the thousand place. So here in thousand place, first number 1 is there, second 1 is there, third 9 is there, 9, 9. So if we are seeing, So what we are finding? So 1 1, this is smaller than 9 9 9. So these numbers are, now we can see these numbers are greater than these numbers, because 1 is smaller than 9, 9 is bigger than 1. So here also you see we are finding 3 bigger numbers. Now let's sort out. 3 bigger number sort out karba. Which one is biggest from them? So from 1000 place 999 equal number are there. So next we'll go to 100th place. Okay. So here in first 2 is there, second 0 is there, and third 2 is there. So these 2 are bigger than 0. So now we'll sort out 9201, 9210. These 2 numbers are bigger than this number. So here also we are finding 2 bigger numbers having 2 2 in the 100 place. देखो 100 रे कौन अच्छे 2 2 both are 2 अच्छे. Next we'll move to 10th place. So in 10th place you are seeing this one has 0 and this number has 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So this one is bigger. So we have found out which one is biggest. 9210 is the greatest number. Okay. So 9210 is greatest number and 9201 is smaller than 9210. Here we can see 9021 is smaller than 9201. So these numbers have, so here we have found the greatest. Now we will find the smallest number. So these 2 are smaller number. Then these number, these 3 number, a 3 number, a 3 number tharo smaller. Next we'll see, I will compare between these 2 numbers and find out which one is smaller. So already we have seen 1 1 in 1000 place. Next we'll see 100 place. Both have same number. Here also 9, here also 9. Next we'll move to, we cannot find which one is smaller. Next we'll move to 10th place. So here in 10th place 0 is there. Here in 10th place 2 is there. So 0 is smaller than 2. So 1900, 2 is smaller than 1920. So this one is the smallest number. So we got smallest number, सबुठु छोटो number हमें पाई गलो, and we got the biggest number. So now we'll arrange them. Here what we have done, we have all numbers are in same, all numbers have same number of digits and they are in thousands. Okay, all are in thousands. Here 1000, 1000, 9000, 9000, 9000. So all are in thousand, all are have same number of digits. That's why what we have done, we have compared the highest place number, first highest place. So highest place is 1000. From 1000 we move to 100. From 100 we move to 10. From 10th we move to 1's place. So like that you can compare. जेतले तमे compare करिवो कोन करिवो, highest जोटा देथिवो, एठी highest thousands देइछि. So 1000 रो आगो देखिवो. Next we'll go to 100. जदि thousands रे सेम थिबे तमे को पोजीशन करिवो, 100 position. If 100 position रे भी सेम थिबे ताहले कोठी कि जेबो, 10th position. If 10th place re equal thibo, then where you will go? You will go to 1's place. So you will move to place from highest place to lowest place. Sorry, what I have written? 1902. So now let's arrange from smallest to biggest, or you can arrange them in descending order. Okay, first one we have arranged in ascending order. First time ascending order arrange kartulu. So second one we will arrange in descending order. So let's see. Descending means we will go from top to bottom. Upor to tolok se. Okay, so highest to lowest, biggest to smallest, or largest to smallest. So look, which one is biggest? 9. We can write like this here. 9,210. So this is bigger. Then 9,201. Okay. Next, this is bigger than 9,021. Then this is bigger than 1920. Then this is bigger than 1902. So here we have got the descending order form from biggest to smallest. Like that you can compare the numbers. So here it is given, try this. You can do by find out smallest or biggest number by comparing the number of digits. तमे कंपेयर करिवो काहाकू? नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स. यदि नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स जोटा बेसी थिबो, which number have more number of digits, that one is greatest or biggest number, and which number has less number of digits, that is smallest number. जो नंबर रे अल्प डिजिट्स थिबो, सबुठ अल्प डिजिट्स थिबो ताको सेटा कोन हबो? स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. और जो नंबर रे बेसी नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स थिबो ता सेटा हबो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. No, otherwise you can see if all are of same digits like this, so you can see start from highest place. यदि same number of digits थो तमे कोठु start करिवो? Highest place रो start करिवो. Like here highest place is 1000 place. Like that, if it is given 10,000, if it is given from 100 place, you can compare from 100th place, 1000, hundreds. Then if you are seeing from 10th, so you can see from 10th place or 1's place. Okay, like that you can move from highest to lowest place. Compare that according to their highest to lowest place, and you can compare and see which one is biggest, which one is smallest.